USDT Masters. So I'm just gonna be analyzing what's gonna be happening today, which is a Thursday. So just to check what we can be expecting. So firstly, as you know, I'm gonna start on the 3 hours. So on the 3 hours, that's where I look for my formations. That's where I look for my trend lines. So that's what we're gonna look at first. So checking our trend lines, I see a beautiful trend line that's been happening right at that area there. So as much as you draw the trend line, it's very important to also note that times that trend line was rejected. So let's check the times there. I see 18 and 21, 6 and 12. So this area, it will be good if either 6 or 12 comes to this area. So this will be a good support using the time zone trend line trading strategy if only 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock come to this area. Why I say that? Because you can see that the rejection here was 12 and the rejection here was 6. So this is also known as a time zone pair. So people who do my lessons, they know this very well, the time zone pair. So here we're gonna see what is known as a time zone pair. So the reason I call it a time zone pair, so if you go to a clock, so you'll realize that a clock is made of two things. It's made of two things. It's made in pairs. So there's at the top there, we all know at the top there is 12. That's the top, and then at the bottom there we all know it's 6. So that's what is known as a time zone pair. And other time zone pairs, we have the 9 and the 3, if you guys know, and there we have the 3. So those are time zone pairs. So when you're trading, it's very important to also utilize this beautiful trading strategy about time. This is a universal strategy. This is an infinite strategy, so of the time zone pairs. So here we have time zone pairs, and if you check the times there, if you want me to write them down there, it's my 12. Is it my 12? Yes. Oh, my 6. That's my 6. That's my 6 there, as you can see. And then here it's my 12. I'll just take that one there, and that's my 12 right there. That's my 12. So I have my 6 and my 12. So what am I expecting there? I'm expecting either 12 or 6 to be the one that comes to reject at that area to complete what? To hopefully complete the cycle of time zone pairs. So yeah, that's gonna be good as a support. And I'm sorry if you are not in this group. I already sent out the signal for this beautiful cell there. So because of formation, so if you can check there, it's a beautiful guys. There's a beautiful formation there. That's the one that's gonna bring the market there. Then that's when we're gonna see some beautiful buys. That's when we're gonna see some beautiful. But why is it a formation? Because again, because of time. Time is key. Time is the key element that drives the market. So if you check the time there, you'll see that it's 6, guys. 6 o'clock there. And if you also check the time here, that came for a reject. Guess the time? 6. As you can see, that's the current movement that we are moving in this day. We're moving 6 in 6. 6, 12, 18. So 6, 12, 6. So there's a chance that 12 might be the one that comes there, or 18. 6, 12, 18, 24, 12, 12, 12, 12, everywhere. So yeah, that's the strategy. But if you don't understand what I'm talking about, now I'm drawing a time, what's happening here. So this is called a time zone trading strategy. It's something new, but I've introduced it, something new. But if you want to learn more about the time zone trading, just go to the link below the description, click there, and it'll direct you to our Telegram group. I offer lessons, I offer free signals if you need signals. Yeah, so I already sent this beautiful signal in the group. So yep, so what more? Yeah, I already sent in the group, and I think it's going to show right on the side there. So if you can just quickly see all the signals that were sent, can you see there? So yeah, that's the signals there that were sent. Yeah. So yeah, let's continue there. So as we continue, yeah, that's the buy. So that was the signal. So after I'm done with the 1 hour, I go to after I get done with the 3 hours, I go to the 1 hour. At the 1 hour, that's where I check my zones. It's important to check the zones. As we can see, we had a beautiful zone there, and at the moment, it seems like we're breaking it. So we might be waiting for a retest at that area that's gonna take the market down, and then we have a beautiful gap at this area there, and then we also have a zone that's not been clearly retested. So we have a zone plus that, but we see this area has been retested twice, so you can check it out as something that can block this. Maybe it could be that yes, it will break and then wait for it to come there, then we can go for a sell. Yeah, but I see also this area is still a strong area. We saw a break this year, it has a bit, but we saw a break. So this area, please just also watch out for this area also. But yeah, the best place, as I say, to enter buys, if you are looking for buys, it's exactly at that area. So if we manage to get to that area, let's go for the beautiful buys that we want. Yes, I think I'm gonna conclude it there. Thank you guys.